How you doing, Frenchies?
How you doing, Espanol?
Pretty good. Where you from?
Paris.
So I heard Paris is full of blacks and Muslims. Is that true?
Yes, she's Muslim.
France is a caliphate. France is being controlled by Islam.
Thank God.
Thank
Sorry, les
God.
gars, si tu veux, parce que je vais
You
me
want a
fight avec un...
caliphate?
Fight. Oh, okay.
You want a
So do you
caliphate?
want to talk about like religion? You sure about that?
Yeah. Do you want a caliphate?
You want to what?
A caliphate. Do you want Muslims to conquer the world and take over the world for
I
Islam?
don't. But do you want Christian to conquer the world like they did
Like
centuries
they
ago?
did? Did they conquer
Yeah,
the
well,
world?
they
So if they
literally
conquer the world, why are you
what
Muslim
was
then?
slavery though? You
Yeah,
conquered
did you know that?
Africa,
This is
South
funny.
America, and you're Spanish. You're Spanish. Christophe Colomb
So
was
you
Spanish.
want to talk
Colomb
about
was Spanish.
slavery, do you? The biggest slave trade
Yeah.
was the Arab slave trade. Did you know that?
And just like the Christian the
Arab
Catholic.
Muslims enslaved millions of Africans. You didn't know that? You walked into that one.
Like the Christians,
Did
both
so?
religions.
Oh,
So
so you're trying to wait, but you're trying
so
to guilt trip
religions,
me for the Christian
like
slave trade, but
if
you
we
had the
agree on
Muslim, the Barbary pirates, the Ottoman Turks, the fucking
yeah,
Arab slave trade.
and I acknowledge that they erased the
No,
North African identity.
you
Like
didn't
the
even know
Algerian,
about
Like, c'est un
that.
peu British.
the Algerians, Moroccan, Tunisian, they were.
What was the largest slave trade?
Oh, but go ask ChatGPT. Yeah. But if go in this way, so religions,
So it says
just religions with an S.
So the Arab slave trade was 10 to 18 million enslaved Africans, and the transatlantic was 12.5 million. So it's pretty close. It's pretty close, ladies.
Can you repeat the numbers, please?
So the Arab slave trade was 10 to 18 million Africans enslaved and transported, and the transatlantic was 12.5 million.
12.5. Yeah, but that was not only the
So that's
African.
pretty much the same scale.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying to you.
So
like,
you're trying to
all of the
guilt trip
religions
Christians, but your people did the same thing, the same slavery
what I'm
against black
saying-
people.
what I'm
You
trying
hate
to
black
say
people.
is, like-
Muhammad hated black people. Muhammad said black people are slaves.
No, he did not.
Yes, he
hate
did. He
them.
said
The
black
first
people are
person who gave
slaves.
the call to the prayer was a black person. How do you say it in English, Moise? Like in the Bible, it's the same in the Bible. He was black.
Arabs are
So-
the most racist people ever.
Yeah, I know that.
Arabs hate blacks. Arabs use
Yeah, I
blacks
know.
as slaves today. Dubai.
But such as the white people. White people also hate the black. So
No, white people gave blacks all their rights, all their privileges,
No,
rolled out the
that's-
red carpet
that's
for
not-
black
she's
people.
Christian.
BLM,
She's
BLM,
Christian.
all the white
She's
countries.
Christian too. She can also.
All look,
confess that.
France is kissing the ass of black people. France is kissing the ass of black people. America's kissing the ass of black people.
No, they did not. They tortured them. Everyone tortured black people.
Yeah,
Black
what
people
year?
Are
Recently?
the most tortured community.
Yeah, by black people who kill each other by the fucking thousands every year. These.
These what?
You're just a racist. That's all.
Yeah.
I'm a
I
racist.
think you're just a
No,
white supremacist.
No, I think you're an
That's
Arab
all. No, you're just a
supremacist.
white-
You're an Arab
You're just a
supremacist.
white supremacist.
You hate white
No.
people.
No, me? I
Yeah.
don't hate white people. I have white people in my family.
Racist.
Look, my
No.
family is white. Look, he's white.
Look, I'm telling you,
delight.
who kills more black people every single year today in America? Who?
In America, white
Yeah.
people.
Black
Policemen.
people, 90%,
policemen.
90%.
You're just
Policemen,
lying and
policemen.
these
That's like
numbers are
2%.
fake.
2%
I
of
think you're just
cases.
a
Are you
mega,
crazy?
You just support Trump. You are
You're
just
so
a far
silly. You don't even know
right
basic
white
facts.
supremacist.
So let me tell you the
No,
facts.
that's
Wait, let me
all.
tell you the facts.
Well, wait.
So let me tell you the facts.
Or are you Christian?
So I was raised Christian, but I'm agnostic, okay? So get off this Christian bit. I'm not doing Christianity stuff. So here's the thing. That's what I'm telling you. In America, 90% of killings of black people are other black people who kill them. just as 90% of white people are killed by white people.
Yeah, but why?
So why are you focusing on like the 2% of cases where it's a white cop who kills a black person? There's also
But
black
like,
cops who kill
why
white
black
people. What are you
people
talking about?
kill black people?
Dis-lui,
Because
t'arraches
it was a system built by white people.
So black people kill black people because of white people. Explain that for me.
That's something socially constructed from slavery. It's originally
So,
from slavery.
what?
And I had a course about
Yeah.
that, about black masculinity in the US. I had
Yeah.
a course about this black people that kill more black people. I had a course and I had very specific sources about it in a big university.
Yeah, you didn't fucking know that
in
90% are killed by blacks, so obviously this course was shit because they didn't tell you anything.
Yeah. Oh, guess what? It was by a black teacher.
Yeah,
Oh, black
racist
teacher.
African lying about white
Yeah,
people.
they're just fucking liars. They just
Yeah.
want to bring down white people.
100%,
Oh my God. Don't believe
100%.
white people. May God.
100%. What do you think
God.
Black Lives Matter was doing? Black Lives Matter were burning
You
cities to
are
the ground.
racist?
No, you are racist. You're a black
you are
supremacist. You're a
You said
black
the N-word and you
supremacist.
cannot say it because that's
No,
that's from a
I can
slavery
say
history.
it. I can say it. You know why I can say it?
Black people suffered
Do you know
from
why I can
slavery.
say it?
From your
Because I'm a
your ancestors.
Yeah,
tortured
your
black
ancestors
people.
tortured black people. Your Arab ancestors tortured and
Well,
killed and enslaved and castrated
I
black
had
people.
also
You
black-
Arab
I had
Arab
also
people are
black-
guilty.
Who tell you I'm Arab? I also
You're
have
Arab.
black origin. It's not because I'm Muslim that I'm Arab.
You're a
There
brown
also-
face. You have brown face. You're not black.
That's typically racist.
But he's a racist. He said the
Listen,
N-word.
you little Frenchie. This
Like,
is all you
and
got
you-
is to
and
say
you know what?
racist at me?
Non, je lui parle à
What are
lui.
you talking
Non, mais
about?
après, Rabat, t'as
No,
pas-
that's what all of you Spanish people are.
But let
That
me
means,
explain to you. So, black people
I will
in
listen
America.
to a racist guy. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
you're gonna have to listen because I got the stats. I got the
Listen.
facts. You got nothing.
No.
So-
Okay, I have
so in-
stats.
in
Don't worry,
America-
I have stats, huh? I
In
can find it on the
America,
internet
so
like
we
you,
understand
just
that
Dis-lui, attends,
police
attends.
killings of
Dis-lui,
black
attends,
people is a tiny percentage. It's like 1 to 2% of killings of black people. The majority of killings of black people is black gangsters, thugs who kill other black people in poor neighborhoods for drugs, for gangs, and other reasons. Has nothing to do with the system. Has nothing to do with slavery. It's black criminal thugs
No, it has
killing
something
each other.
to do with slavery.
Nothing.
This is socially constructed.
What
but you
slavery?
just cannot
When does
admit
slavery
it
end?
because- What is slavery?
When's
Are you trying to refute what is slavery?
when was the last slave freed in America?
We still have slavery
last
till
slave-
this day.
Yeah,
okay?
in Dubai by Arabs.
But it's not because it was free from a legal point that it's
So
all
so the last slave was freed in 1865.
but it still remained in another
How? Where?
Form.
Where?
where?
How?
Well, for example, in when you want to hire someone, you will hire white people. The white people have more chances to be hired and to
Oh, really?
comment tu fais sur life?
To
Okay.
have a better life than
okay, so
black people.
okay,
And
so if
that's
that's true, then why
No,
is it
that
in
is true.
Okay, so if that's true in 2021, why did all the Fortune 500 companies hire 94% people of color?
Why? Because they do the bad work.
No,
They
wait.
stay
So in
till late. They do
2021,
the bad work.
all
so
the major
white
Fortune
people, they
500
have to
companies in America,
raise.
listen,
Yeah,
so
the
all the
companies in
major
America.
companies
You take
hired
example, America. Don't you forget about segregation?
94% people of color. Why did they do that if white people have a better chance?
What?
So in 2021, go look this up. This is a fact. The big companies in America, all the 500 biggest companies, hired 94% people of color. So they
positive affirmation.
Yeah, that's the positive affirmation because
so
they
you
suffered
support
from it, so we
racism.
have to.
So you support racism.
It's not racism. Racism
Oh, it's
against
not.
white people doesn't exist because
Oh, right.
white people insert racism.
So when
They're the one that started
when
it.
white people
And it's-
when white people are discriminated against in hiring, that's not
No, you
racism
can-
against white
you
people?
can talk about discrimination, and that I know.
Discrimination.
Yeah,
But-
so
but
you
like,
support that.
it's
You just
more
said
an
white people get the
quick
favors.
thing that
You just said
What?
white people get hired first, but I gave you an example where they're hiring brown
Your
people.
connection is
No, you don't want to answer this. 2021, 94% people of color. Why?
huh?
Affirmative action. Affirmative action. Black people and Hispanics get into college with lower GPAs. Why?
Yeah, like for just crime rates, are much more related to poverty, inequality, access to
Blah blah
education, and
blah.
opportunities
Lie.
than the original people
Yeah,
than the white
why
people,
are they
because
poor?
white people have access to all of this.
So do black
So
people.
white
So do
people have
black
access to
people.
education,
So do
so
black
they
people.
can have
Wait, were you educated?
more
Were you
access
educated?
to
Were you educated?
what?
Were you educated?
Of course.
I'm educated, yeah,
Okay,
of
but
course.
you're
I'm
you're
in the
black. That's
first.
impossible, right?
Wait.
But
Let
you're
me tell you
black.
something.
That's impossible,
Wait,
right?
Wait, let me tell you something before continuing this debate. I'm in
Yeah.
the first political sciences university in Europe, okay?
Yeah,
And
no
the
wonder you're so
third or
stupid.
fourth in the
No
world.
wonder you're so
So you
stupid.
cannot tell me. Yeah, that's why I'm so stupid.
Yeah.
What did you study?
You're extremely stupid. I studied journalism.
Oh, well, I'm studying journalism, science, political science.
Yeah, you suck and you can't even debate. So you can't answer.
Yeah.
So why? So answer this
No,
question. If
you
white people
debates
are
are
on
just
top,
racist.
wait.
White
So
supremacists,
if white people are on top, why did the big companies hire 94% people of color in 2021?
because people of color, if you don't install these norms, I don't know, I don't remember how
You're
to
not
say it in
answering.
English, but if you don't
You're not
install this,
answering.
they will never succeed in life because they don't have access to the same education.
They
than
have
white
all
people,
the access.
because
They
white
have
people
more
set up
access.
that
They have
system.
double access. They have
Privileged
triple
white
access.
people
Because
being
you have
racist.
no fucking
Yeah.
argument. You didn't answer the question. You won't answer the fact that black people kill each other. You just say it's poverty, it's
But
slavery, it's
why do they
racism.
kill each other? Because white
Because they're
people
racist.
install